Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add network in Metamask wallet application. With mobile version, Metamask added feature that allows you to add some of popular networks without having to input any details. You can do this just in a couple of clicks. Okay, go to your Metamask wallet. In top of screen, click on wallet network. Here you will see I'm already added some of networks. Click add network, and here in popular network list you will see all popular networks. Here will be Binance Smart Chain, Polygon network and others. I'm already added to my wallet. Here you will see other networks. For example, we will add Phantom. Just click add, you will see all information here. Just click approve and network will be added to your wallet. When you go back in list of networks, you will see all added network in your wallet, and you can switch from one to another network. That is all. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe and notification bell.